we are here to say some points in against of the topic AI. There's a debate between my cousin and siblings, and we all.
Hi everyone, I am Jatin Kumar and she is my partner.
And I am Anushka.
And today we are here to speak some points in favor of our topic. Our topic is artificial intelligence, AI. So
AI can help doctor to detect the disease and improve patients' care. And AI improve education by providing personalized learning and instant doubt solving.
You say, according to you, you say that AI helps the doctor and doctor to the patient or your yes. So the point I want to say that AI is not good in everything, because it also can do mistakes and give incorrect information. The doctors also read from books, and there are books to help doctor.
Yes, I respect your point, but
Manya, I respect your point, but I would like to add that AI is for helping doctors. It is not like operating any a body or like uh, suggesting medicines to anybody. It is only for helping the doctors. Whatever you say,
But you say that AI also helps doctors, but AI also give wrong information. So what will the doctor do?
AI don't give wrong information.
It can give.
So according to you, humans don't give wrong information or don't do mistakes.
So why, according to you, AI can?
प्लीज स्पर्श को भी बोलने दो.
Humans will also do mistakes, but humans and AI is humans make AI, so they will be superior. They have more knowledge than AI.
Yes, you whatever you have said that
अनुष्का, you also.
we made AI. So according to you, we are more superior than AI and we have more knowledge. Yes, whatever you say, whatever you have said is also true, but we have used some our knowledge to help. Actually, we have made AI to obviously help us in almost every field. So we have tried to make it more knowledgeable than us. So if we compare humans than AI, so AI is AI is more knowledgeable than humans because it is for helping us only.
You said AI is more intelligent than humans. Humans made artificial intelligence and AI, so always humans are one step away from AI.
No, it is for helping us, and this is the point I have
Sparsh?
already said.
अनुष्का,
I have already said this answer.
I want to give an example for you. That when I am trying for CMC, this is just an example. My answers are right, but AI said they are wrong. And after then, I asked to other AI app, so it said they are right. So AI also do mistakes.
I don't said that AI
Anushka,
don't do
you-
mistakes. I have said that it do minor mistakes when humans.
And AI gives many job opportunities in future, like data science, in innovations, technology, etc.
But it also we see that in future we see that if the people make AI more greater, so we see in future that jobs humans will not work, only robots work, and people do not earn money, and they
फेस पे थोड़ा सा वो लाया करो ना कि ये तो सीरियस तुम बोल रहे हो एकदम थोड़ा सा जैसा नेचुरल बातें करते हैं उस टाइप से
and they do not earn money, so they do not buy their products that they need.
So AI takes some jobs, but it has more accurately.
It according to you, you have said that AI will take jobs in future and only robots will work. And this is totally nonsense according to me, because because the world is developing AI day by day, and AI, yes, AI can take some jobs, but it is also developing new jobs. If anyone is learning AI, it will catch that chance and it will get the job. But if anyone is not learning AI in this world, obviously he will not get job. So according to me, it is not like वो छीन नहीं रहा है जॉब को. It is also giving us opportunities. It is giving us more opportunities to be successful.
But what if humans, if AI take jobs in all the fields, so what humans do?
It will not take you.
It will
is
help in every field, na? AI help in
Yes,
every
AI has every field.
Yes, AI is helping every field. AI is helping in every field,
but
but
jobs
not.
also, na?
Objection. At the last point, you say that AI is faster than humans, and
Yes, yes.
so I want to give you an example. Shakuntala Devi, you listen about her. She is the fastest calculator of our world. You can say universe, everything. So AI is also not faster than humans. See,
No.
yes, because Shakuntala Devi is the fastest calculator. You can give if you give her any equation.
Okay, I respect your point, but she have a skill.
Wait.
She have a skill
Please,
to
please.
calculate faster.
So AI can't calculate faster than her. So there's the example I give to you now.
Sanya, I think you didn't heard about God gifted people. Shakuntala Devi was God gifted, as she can do complex calculations easily, but in like majority of humans can't do that like Shakuntala Devi, because she was God gifted, and that's why she can solve like complex calculations. And we all know that majority of the people can't solve like them.
But we
Like-
can compare. But we can compare.
स्पष्ट तो भी बीच में
No, we
बोलना
can't compare, because she was God
from the
gifted.
AI. We can compare.
No.
Your point
Yes,
is
we
totally
can.
nonsense.
She is
I
God
know.
gifted.
She was God gifted. Can you do such like complex calculations?
So
Obviously not you, not us, and majority of the people can't solve like her. So we are discussing, we are debating on single point. I think we should move to the next point.
I want to ask something from you. Can AI dance?
No.
Can AI sing?
No. So AI is not human. AI help our work.
AI is made for helping humans, not doing their work. it has a large difference in helping and doing their work.
So why you say
And their
they
skills.
do very minor mistakes? They can do very big mistakes also.
AI reduce human errors and it make more accurate.
You say that AI do
स्पर्श
minor
ये तो
mistakes.
शांत बेटा, क्या बोल रहा है? तेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही बिल्कुल भी.
You said AI do more minor mistakes.
अब बोलो तो तेज बोलो बेटा.
So minor mistakes.
They make bigger mistakes in
Say
this
minor
situation.
Yes.
Okay. So humans made AI. Okay.
Yeah.
So why humans do very large mistakes from AI?
What? Can you give any example?
Yeah. Because I
To
can't understand
state,
what you're trying to say.
Point.
This is not a point.
No, I'm not.
We can't try. You trying to say what you can.
You say AI do minor
कितना आगे
mistakes.
को हो जा थोड़ा सा.
Okay. You say minor mistakes AI do, and humans made AI. So my question is why humans are not faster than AI, or you say that?
Because AI, humans made AI and AI is more.
AI is a helping tool.
Yes.
That's why they have made it.
Humans made AI because AI is
You
helping
humans
to.
made AI, and after you also say that AI do very minor
Because we have a skills.
Minor mistakes
We
are-
have a skills to operate in this.
AI is a tool, but its creator AI is a tool, but a tool is not greater than its creator.
AI can't think creative like humans also.
I have not.
Say it again.
They have AI have not any creativity like humans have.
Actually,
AI makes us more creative.
But AI can't
Yes.
think that we think creatively. AI cannot think creatively as the humans do.
No.
Yes.
Can you give an example?
Yeah. We have many projects and we also use AI.
But in past,
In every work we use AI, and in future generations all people use AI. They use AI.
I want to say
And
that
you're
you
talking
are
about creativity.
saying
I
you're
think
saying
almost
artificial intelligence
50% of our
is
population.
more intelligent from humans.
so it is
So,
wrong.
can you please tell me how?
Because humans make AI in this style it helps us more accurately and
That's it.
AI is more knowledgeable.
You can. Why you are not understanding? Humans make AI, so humans are more intelligent from AI.
Yes, human is more intelligent than AI, but
So why you
I'm
are
not
saying
saying
that?
that humans are not intelligent.
Why you are
actually.
saying that humans make
I think
big mistakes and AI make minor mistakes?
I think
More
you
than-
should. I think you should study more about AI because you are not understanding the point. AI is only made for helping humans, not.
You are not understanding. At the lastest point, you say that AI do minor mistakes and humans do big mistakes. So why? Humans make AI.
I have
so
not said that humans do make
humans
mistakes.
are more intelligent from AI.
Yes, I think no. Obviously, it is made for helping, so we have made it more knowledgeable than us. That's why we have made it.
AI is more knowledgeable and it helps us to make more creative. Yeah.
But it can't think creatively like the humans do.
Humans creativity is more than the AI creativity. It's more greater than the AI creativity.
Go
Human's creativity is more greater than the AI.
Yeah. I respect your point, but AI improves work.
I don't think that you have any other point. So why you are only talking about this point?
So why are you
Don't you
not
want to
giving
discuss
us
other
an
points?
answer?
We have answered, but you are not understanding it.
Yes.
You are also not understanding
You
my
not
question.
understand. You not understand. We are
We
trying
are
to
understanding
what
your
we are
question.
trying
That
to
your
say.
question is wrong. You have to study more about AI.
Yes,
You have a lack of knowledge.
knowledge about it. Yes.
AI, you know that AI also give wrong informations
No. In
in such
my-
cases. In such
Yes.
cases. So AI can be misused by the misinformation also from humans. From humans.
Humans will also do misuse of AI for their
If
profit.
you use in positive direction, so AI can help more accurately.
So why?
But
they-
some people use in negative direction.
Objection.
So
If you take in the negative point, so it is the opposite of the positive points. You say.
According to me, we have to end the debate because firstly you have obviously you are discussing only one point
yes.
and
And you can't
AI
understand what you are
have
trying to
both the
say.
aspects.
तुम्हारी एक लड़की ने बोलती बंद कर रखी है, बोलती बंद कर रखी है।
तो
नहीं,
उसका क्वेश्चन ही गलत है मम्मी,
उसको समझ
आपको
भी नहीं
पता
आ रहा
है,
है, उसको समझ भी नहीं आ रहा।
उसको खुद तो पता नहीं वो बोल क्या रही है।
हाँ, उसको खुद नहीं पता वो क्या बोल
मैं
रही
ये
है।
समझाऊं क्या
वो
तुम्हें?
अपने पेपर में से जाग जाग के पढ़ रही है।
मैंने अभी देखा है। ये उनका भी तो उधर ही है।
उसने तो मांगा था, हमने क्या था?
मैंने इधर मांगा था, इधर रखने के
मांगा
लिए
था।
मेरे को लगा वो कहीं उड़ गया है।
पेपर दे दो।
AI
बंद कर दो।
can't replace human technology.